How to monitor a folder and trigger a command line action when a file is created or edited? I need to set up some sort of a script on my Vista machine, so that whenever a file is added to a particular folder, it automatically triggers a background process that operates on the file. The background process is just a command line utility that takes the file name as an argument, along with some other predefined options. I'd like to do this using native Windows features, if possible, for performance and maintenance reasons. I've looked into using Task Scheduler, but after perusing the trigger system for a while, I haven't been able to make much sense of it, and I'm not even sure if it's capable of doing what I need. I'd appreciate any suggestions. Thanks.
At work we use PowerShell to monitor folders. It can be used since Windows Vista, .NET and PowerShell is pre-installed, without any additional tools. The script monitors a certain folder and writes a log file. You can replace the action and do whatever you want, e.g. call an external tool. Example log file. Start monitoring.ps1. How to use? Create a new text file. Copy and paste the above code. Change the following settings to your own needs. Folder to monitor, $watcher.path equals d / source. File filter to include only certain file types, $watcher.filter equals dot. Include subdirectories yes/no, $watcher.include a subdirectories equals $true. Save and rename it to Start monitoring.ps1. Start monitoring by right-click Execute with PowerShell. To stop monitoring, it's enough to close your PowerShell window. Further reading. Documentation for PowerShell's File System Watcher. Documentation for PowerShell's Register event. Inspirations for script.
Thanks all, for the suggestions. I ended up writing of the script that was roughly based on Linker 3000's idea of polling the folder, and using the task scheduler to have it run on startup. I ended up getting the basic syntax from this resource and made the requisite tweaks. I'd still like to optimize it at some point, having the guts of the script run on an event-driven system, but I've run out of time to work on it, and, well, this is good enough. Here's the script, in case anyone's interested, with the irrelevant conversion segment redacted for clarity. Also, I don't want to leave this question officially unanswered, and I hate to accept my own answer to the question, but I did upvote Linker 3000's answer as a thanks.
If the action is just to copy-change files, you can use robocopy/millencolumn1. I don't know if robocopy uses File System Watcher or works by polling for changes.
You seem to be on the right lines, You could use the task scheduler to run a bat or CMD file on a regular basis, and that file could start with a line to check for the existence of the required file. In fact, I check for the non-existence of the file, for example. You could also modify this code and have it run in a loop with a, say, 1-minute delay in the loop, and then put a reference to the batch file in the Windows Startup folder. There are other ways of achieving a delay according to the version of Windows running and what additional resource kits have been installed, but the ping command pretty much works under all circumstances. In the ping command above, 10 phantom pings are executed with a delay of 6000 milliseconds, 6 seconds, between them. You can play with these values to achieve the delay you need between batch file loops.
If you like to support the channel, please consider subscribing.